Okay, I just wanted to jump in here because I got something very fun coming up, and I wanted to give you a heads up so that if you get a chance, hopefully you can come watch it. We have coming up between 6/26 of 23 through 7/2 of 23. It is called Shine Week. It should be a lot of fun. So what is Shine Week? Okay, so what we're going to do is, starting on Monday, every day we're going to have a new shine that we're making, and we'll have a video out. So you got plenty of videos coming out during that week. We'll have one video every day all the way up to Saturday, so that's 6 shines. And then what we're going to have after that on Sunday, me and Laura, we're going to sit down and taste all 6 and tell you what we think, how we, what we feel about it. Okay. We have not tasted any of them. Well, let me back up. Only one of them that I have tasted since it was made. Okay, and then I'll tell you why I had to taste just one of them. But the other 5, I haven't tasted them yet. I've been really wanting to, but I haven't tasted them yet. We're all going to taste them together. I thought this would be a whole lot of fun, and well, it's been a lot of fun for me for this week making all that shine. So please stop by and please leave a comment. And what I would like, let's see, just tell me what your favorite is. Which one of these 6 is your favorite? I'm just curious. All right, and I mean, I did when we were making the base for this a few videos back. I asked for everybody's idea. I got a bunch of ideas, and I picked out 6, and that's what we made, and that's what we did. So I like to see what everybody's opinion is. Out of them 6, which one would you like? Okay, I think this is going to be cool. Okay, so all I can say is, hey, we'll see you Monday to start this off. All right, cheers everybody.